president when he is saying he doesn't want to hear mambo ya 2022. Who started 2022? It is the president. He is the one who was going around when we were doing the election, saying he is going for 10 years, Ruto is going for 10 years. Who started the issue of 2022? It is the president. Let me tell you the president. You are going to leave a very bad legacy in this country. And you are going to bring war in this country. Because you should stand and unite Kenyans. You should stand and disown Murathe. You should stand and talk about Jubilee. We know the people of Handshake, now they have entered every ministry. Civil servants, now they have been threatened by the Handshake everywhere. They are going for contract by force, threatening civil servants. They are going everywhere, destroying this country. I want to ask you as a president. Your father was there, he did not agree with those people. Moi was there, he did not agree with those people. Kibaki was there, was not agreeing with those people. My dear president, are you special from those old people who could not agree with those people up to now? And don't forget that your father started this problem of between Kikuyu and Luos. Now you have brought it again, the same person. President, we have given you vote 10 years. Please, let us go for Inange, we may look for a life, where we are going to go. We will not agree people to be threatened in the Rift Valley because of the confusion of Murathe. Kalenjin voted for you. 202, Kikuyu voted for you. Kalenjin voted for you as a block. 2013, Kalenjin voted for you. You are taken Hague with the Ruto. You came back and brought this country together. And from that time, we don't have any fight in Nakuru and the Rift Valley. 2017, Kalenjin voted for you as a block. When we were told to repeat, Deputy President led the campaign. And let me tell you the truth, there was no presidential campaign. It was Deputy Presidential campaign led by the Deputy President. We don't want Kikuyu to be seen like we are liars. We have a life to live with the other tribes. Now you are bringing us somebody, we don't know it's from where. And we know the end of the day. The issue of Raila wanted the end of the day, Kikuyu not to vote for the deputy. Then he will jump on the other side and say, Kikuyus are not honest. Let me tell you, it is few people who are not honest. Kikuyu people are honest. And the years I'm remaining is to talk the truth. Are waiting nothing else. And we want the election. And we are going to fight. We are ready to fight for the light of democracy. We are not supporting Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. We are supporting Ruto because he has proved himself to be a leader in this country.
That's true.
It's not because that he is a Kalenjin. Who was given that thinking that he will be a leader. Now we have said that they are going, all of them, they are going Mombasa. We want to ask, if the president himself have joined ODM, please defect and go to ODM. If Raila have defected, defect and go to the party you want. And don't threaten us with the party. And we are not going to live with Jubilee. Let me tell you that. Jubilee is ours. We sweated for it. We worked for it. And I urge my people in Rift Valley, please keep peace. Hii mambo ni ya mtu mrefu. Ndugu zangu ambao tunakaa Rift Valley na hawa Waluya, Wajaluo na wengine wote. Sisi tunataka amani. Na ile njia Murathe anaenda sasa naye, tunataka tujue hii bangi anatumia. Kwa sababu bangi ya Central haimpelekagi namna hiyo. Hii bangi anakunywa akienda pandi hii. Ni ile ya kibuyu ama ni bangi gani inaongezwa na madawa? Na Murathe on Kenyans, kama mnataka tusaidie Murathe, tuchange pesa tupeleke hospitali. He will be admitted. Atawekwa kwa kitanda. Lakini shida yule atampeleka, ataweza shtakiwa na daktari. Kwa nini umekaa na mgonjwa kwa muda mrefu sana? Na ndio inafanya tuseme sisi tunataka uchaguzi sasa. We want election. Hii chama hapana ya mtu mmoja. And this is the problem with the parties ambaye zinakuwa owned by the people. Hii mambo yote inaletwa ya corruption, inasemekana corruption na nini mambo mingi. It is witch hunting. We know. Watu ya deputy wameanza kutafutwa na kuhangaishwa kila pahali. Hata sisi tunahangaishwa kwa sababu ya supporting the deputy. We are not supporting the deputy, we are supporting the truth. Ile Mwenyezi Mungu alijua tuliosumbuka hapa. Na mtu ametuweka hii shida yote ni president mwenyewe. Yeye ndio alituonesha mambo ya kusema nini? 2022. Sio sisi. Yeye ndio alituambia mambo ya matusi ya kutukana Raila. Ni alilete. Kimundu geke, kimulevi geke, kimuthuri geke, mugoroki uyu, jamani mugetekera. Tutika ko mujibu kajikeria kura jita kimundu geke. Who brought those statements? If there is somebody to be charged in a court of law for incitement, Kikuyus, between Kikuyus and Luos, Olu should carry the cruise.